Did you receive a notification from your tax office asking you to activate your monthly VAT filing on Rev360? Many business owners are receiving messages like this and are confused about what it means and what action they need to take. In this video, I will explain what this notification letter means, why you need to activate it, and show you the step-by-step process to do it from your Rev360 dashboard all by yourself. Welcome to CAC Business Registration Nigeria Dream 247. Let's get into it. This is a disclaimer. This video is strictly for educational purpose only. The information shared is to help business owners understand how to navigate their Rev360 portal and follow the required steps for VAT compliances. This is not professional, tax, or legal advice. Always confirm your specific tax situation with the appropriate tax authority or a qualified professional. With that being said, first of all, let's understand what this letter is saying. The tax office is informing the taxpayer that the monthly VAT assessment filing feature on Rev360 needs to be activated manually. This means the VAT filing option is currently not active on the account, and the taxpayer needs to turn it on before they can properly manage their VAT filing obligation. If you have been following me on this channel, you are going to remember that I did a video on how you can activate your VAT manually so as to be able to be filing it in one of those videos I have done previously. And the reason why we find ourselves in a situation of needing to manually request for the VAT you want to file is simply because the activation button has been turned off for most people. So you will need to request for it monthly before you can file. You don't say because my own is not showing, I am not filing. This is something I have explained to us before to prevent the unseen circumstances. So now most offices and many offices are sending letter out that you should turn this particular button on by yourself. You should activate it so that you will be seeing your relevant taxes that you need to file every month. So in this video, I will be showing you the step-by-step way to go about activating and turning on this feature on your profile, so as for you to be able to be seeing it monthly. Just as before, that we don't need to request for it. Once you turn on this feature from your hand, your taxes that you need to be filing will be popping up, will be showing automatically by itself without you needing to request for it anymore. Just like before, that once you log into your portal, you are going to see the VAT that you need to file direct from your dashboard. In my opinion and observation, I think the tax authority had noticed that many people had stopped filing their VAT simply because their dashboard is showing zero. Probably because they don't know they need to request for it. Because as of today, I still saw someone saying, thank God they've stopped giving me VAT to file. So I had to explain to that person that they did not stop giving you, but you need to request for it. So this is my own observation regarding this particular letter that some people are receiving presently. So let me take us straight to how we can set this up once and for all. So all you need to do is to log into your portal. And once you get to this particular interface, you come down to my profile here. Click on my profile, then it will take you down to this place where you need to navigate to where you have manage tax filing profile at your right hand side. Click on that manage tax filing profile. It will load up this particular interface for you, where you are going to see all the taxes that is available for filing. So here right now, we are going to be picking VAT. You need to click on that button for it to pop up like this. Click on that button to be showing green, to show like this. Then the next thing is for you to click on update setting. I hope you can see that. Update setting. You click on update setting, it will load up, and boom, you are going to see tax profile updated successfully at the upper part. So like this, by next month your VAT will pop up at its due time for you to be able to file, and you won't need to request for it anymore. So you've done this now, and you can see it says request lodged. Your change request has been sent to the tax office for approval. So once they approve this from the office, your VAT will be showing for you monthly on its own by itself. So that is the essence of this letter that was sent to you. This is the button that you need to turn on. I hope you get that. Once you do this, it confirms your account has been activated for either your CIT or for your VAT filing, which is what most businesses fall under. After completing this, your account should be ready for your VAT filing process. Here is an important thing you need to note. Number one, do not ignore notification from your tax office. Yes, many people receive notification, they just ignore it as if it's none of my business. They neglect those notification or those messages sent to them from their tax office. Secondly, many business owners only react when they see penalty, but staying compliant starts with paying attention to this update. Don't wait until only when you see your company or your business name under a huge penalty before you react to that notification or to that message. Make sure you do the needful of always checking any message or any update sent to you either in your email or through a call from your tax office. How can you be getting this notification from your tax offices? Because so many people are saying they are not receiving any message from their tax office, so they just got a physical letter, this and that. Whereas before a tax office will send you a physical letter, you would have been receiving multiple messages in your email. And most people fall victim of this, probably because the email they drop while they were registering on tax promos is no more active. So they do not receive any previous notification from their tax office. So all of this information, all of these messages sent up front, they don't actually receive it. And now you need to make some corrections on your portal by changing those details so that you'll be receiving messages from your tax office directly into your email inbox. So you need to make some correction to the details you have on your profile, so as for you to also be able to be receiving direct messages into your email. which I will be explaining about how to change that or update that in the next video. If you receive this same notification, don't panic. Follow the steps I explained earlier in this video and make sure your VAT filing profile is properly activated. Let me know in the comment section if you receive this kind of letter from your tax office or not. And I already made a practical video on how to file monthly VAT after activation on this channel. So check it out and make sure you do the needful to stay safe from penalties. Thank you for watching. This is CAC Business Registration Nigeria Rev247. Helping business owners understand CAC, Rev360, tax and other compliance. Thank you. I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.